Mankind is in the unique position of existing in the physical world and the immaterial world simultaneously. Think about any major event in history. Something physical happened. Someone was born, someone died, a battle was won, a treaty was signed. But the significance of these events resound far beyond the rearrangement of matter. The same probably holds true for your own life. The most significant, most memorable events transcend the physical. They raise our thoughts to something higher. Sadly, those events are far too infrequent, and for most of our lives we exist in that lower, more menial place. Like the cave dwellers in Plato's Republic, most often our thoughts and time are spent on thoroughly unimportant things. Aristotle believed that humans have a telos, or a goal, a best possible life. Many philosophers, as well as the Christian faith, agree with this idea. When you have a target, you know where to aim. Consider any human endeavor, a job, sports, hobbies, whatever. Each of these has a definite aim. You succeed in fishing when you catch a fish. You succeed in basketball when your team scores more points than the other team. Everything has a goal, including our lives. But many today have no sense of what the telos of their life might be. And if they do, it's often a misguided one, like money, pleasure, or fame. This is why theology, philosophy, and the humanities are so important. They pull us out of the cave and present us with realities that are true, good, and beautiful. These realities help orient our decisions toward a true goal. They cause us to dwell on ideas of lasting importance, and they help guard us against the two extremes of arrogance and apathy. Much of modern culture has eviscerated us of what makes us truly human. It causes us to think about ourselves, not in a reflective, self-improving way, but in a way that's myopic and self-destructive. But when we turn to God, to great books, and to great art, we can acquire the power to say no to the lower and live lives of meaning and value.